in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club technical difficulties error. Let's get started. First, refresh the app or website. You can force close the app and relaunch it. Launch the app switcher, remove it and relaunch it. Next up, check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router if you're using a Wi-Fi. Next up, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for Sam's Club. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache and cookies for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Sam's Club and launch it. Now click on Upload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. This will clear cache and cookies for the app. Next up, restart your device. Then you can launch Sam's Club app, log out of account and log back in. Next up, head over to the website Down Detector, search for Sam's Club. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.